In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Costco online chat support. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in costco.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Costco. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to use the online chat support, what you have to do is click on this option, customer service, that you can see at top. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the customer service interface of Costco. You can simply contact the customer service from this interface. But if you want to chat with them, at bottom you'll be able to find this option for chat us. What you have to do is click on it. Due to the unavailable chat hours, I'm not being able to chat with them right now, but you'll be able to chat with them if you contact them in the available chat hours. What you have to do is simply send them your message. After you do that, you'll be able to receive the reply from them. If you want to know the available chat hours, what you have to do is simply look right over here on your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for contact us. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the contact us interface of Costco customer service. You'll be able to see this section for give us a call over here. You'll be able to find various categories like Costco.com online orders, membership and warehouse, etc. So if you want to chat with them, you'll be able to see the chat hours over here. For Costco.com online orders, the chat hours is from Monday to Friday 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. From Saturday to Sunday 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. PT. Right now I do not live within this time reason, so I am not being able to chat with them, but you'll be able to chat with them if you contact them during the chat hour. Also, you'll be able to find the chat hours for membership and warehouse, Costco Business Center orders, Costco technical and warranty services technical support, etc. So like this, you'll be able to use the online Costco chat support. So that is how you use online chat support in Costco. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.